wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best stove cleaners. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. While certainly not the most powerful option, Weiman cooktop and microwave wipes might just be the most convenient. They're designed to be used on a daily basis for light cleanings between more thorough scrubbings with the company's other formulas. The container keeps them very moist, however they can't handle stubborn spots, and they may leave a bit of residue. At number 9, Wright cooktop cleans, polishes and protects ceramic and glass surfaces, so not only will they look good afterwards, but they'll also be able to stand up to abuse better. It can be used on fiberglass and shower doors as well. It's affordably priced and can prevent fingerprint smudges, but it requires a lot of elbow grease. Coming in at number 8 on our list. To give you some idea of how powerful affresh whirlpool is, it can remove grease that's been baked on at 750 degrees Fahrenheit. Simply using this product 1 or 2 times a week should keep your cooktop in optimal condition. It makes surfaces glisten like new and doesn't have a harsh smell. However, water stains require hard scrubbing. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for stove cleaners, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, if you like to give your cooktop a daily cleaning, then first off, kudos to you, and secondly, try Weiman 106. It's perfect for tackling light messes as they occur, plus the spray head and ergonomic handle on the bottle make using it a breeze. It can be wiped off with a paper towel and the nozzle is lockable, but it can leave some streaks. Moving up our list to number 6. Therapy Heavy Duty is made in the United States and doesn't have any petroleum solvents, so it's safe to use on all glass, ceramic and induction cooktops. In fact, it's made from mostly natural ingredients, so you can feel good about using it in your home. It gets rid of boil-over spillage marks and is easy to apply and wipe off. It has a pleasant citrus scent. Halfway up our list at number 5. In addition to its quality cleaning solution, pads and scraper, the Cerama Bryte Best Value Kit has one magical included item you'll never be able to live without again, the burnt-on grease remover. So now you can feel a little better about your deep frying addiction. It eradicates years-old grime, and a few drops go a long way. It can make ancient cooktops look new. At number 4, if you like every item in your kitchen to sparkle, then you'll love that the Whink 762855 can be used on your cookware as well as your stove, and even on marble and laminated countertops. Plus, it doesn't require rough sponges to work effectively. It helps to prevent scratches and can eliminate baked-on stains. It rinses off pans easily. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Safe to use on halogen glass and radiant cooktops, as well as stainless steel and brass surfaces. There's no mess Barkeeper's Friend can't take care of. Since the formula doesn't contain ammonia or silicon, you don't need to worry about it interacting with your cookware. It also acts as a polishing agent, and the included cloths resist odor buildup. It's made in the USA. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for stove cleaners, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Weiman Heavy Duty Bundle boasts non-abrasive scrubbing pads that can be used on nearly any glass or ceramic surface in your home, including your bathtubs and sinks, without leaving scratches. Plus, eco-minded consumers will like that its ingredients are biodegradable. It cuts through thick grime and removes burnt food in a few wipes. It won't leave a greasy residue either. And taking the top spot on our list, Trinova Ageless Appliance Premium is a double-duty option that not only removes unsightly grease and sauce splatter, hard water stains and other cooking residue, but also works as a heavy-duty polisher to leave behind a sparkling surface. It includes non-abrasive pads and doesn't cause streaking. It's also good for oven doors. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for stove cleaners, or simply click beneath this video.